Hi grade 5, how are you all? Welcome back to your Elga class. Today we are going to revise our exam portion. Okay, so you all know that 10th of August you have your monthly exam, monthly assessment, right? Okay, for that today we are going to revise our portions. Okay, so all of you take your reader and workbook, a pencil and eraser. Okay, so reader, workbook, pencil and eraser. I hope you all completed your activities and homeworks, right? So anyway, it is my duty to dictate you all your answers. Okay. So yeah, I hope you all took your book. So first, take your reader book. Reader. First, take your reader. So reader, take page number 6. SR1. Here hard C and soft C be learned, right? Hard C k sound and soft C sound, right? Yeah, k sound and a sound. So hard C castle, come, count, cast, cup. So soft C city, space, sound, right? Nice, cycle, sound. Yeah. Then for this, for your better understanding, they have given 2 paragraphs. Okay. Yeah. Then come to next page. Next page, our first lesson about Dr. Yes, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, that perfect humor. Okay. In this lesson, what you learn? What you learned? That for his what we can say, for his memory we all celebrate Teachers Day, right? We celebrate Teachers Day in the memory of Dr. Radhakrishnan, right? Then he is our former president of India. Okay, first vice president and president of India. So what you learned in this lesson, he went to England and and its governor general, he criticized Dr. Radhakrishnan, how by cracking a joke that God love England people more, that's why we are white color and you people are black color. So Dr. Radhakrishnan, he got hurt by his words. Okay, at last what he said, what he make them understand? Yes, very good. That, yeah, he said a story about the pancake and at last he said what? At last what he said? The color of skin has nothing to do with God's love. Yes or no? Yeah. So they all understood the meaning what Radhakrishnan said. Okay. Then vocabulary words are given in your books. Okay. So meanings you should learn. Okay, children. So lot of questions I have asked from your book. That means inside your book. So each and every sentence you should learn from your lessons. Okay. Yeah. In concept time, part of a paragraph we learned. Okay. Then action define people. In this we learned about Swami Vivekananda. Okay. Yeah. Swami Vivekananda, he was a social reformer and he traveled all over the world for what? To give lecture on Hinduism. Okay. Yeah. So what you learn from this lesson? Yeah, once he went for, where? To Rajasthan, right? Yeah, in Rajasthan he preached his message to eager listeners. Okay, so he won't buy money from his people. What he buy? Only he will buy what? Food. Yes or no? Yes, food and water from his believers. Okay, yeah. Then once Swami Vivekananda, he haven't ate for 3 days and a cobbler saw that and cobbler he gave food to Swami Vivekananda and he accepted it. And this cobbler, he is from very lower caste. Okay, so then also Swamiji he accepted his food. Okay, so lot of people they they were got angry on seeing the scene. Okay, and what Swamiji replied to them? What he replied to them? Yeah, you people claim to be gentlemen and boast of your high caste. Can you overlook the humanity he has just shown? How can you despise him without feeling ashamed? Okay, so what he said, what is his words? There is no caste or religion based on him. Okay, yeah. So here also we learn some meanings, yeah, words and its meanings. Then enhancing a paragraph we learned, right? Okay. So again about Swami Vivekananda we learned, his real name we learned, and his a mission. Ramakrishna mission is there. What is the purpose of that mission? Is to serve poor and people who is in need. Okay, so this mission doesn't, or they didn't care about caste or religion. Okay, so Swamiji he was invited in the Parliament of World Religion in USA, and in his lecture what he said, yes, Swamiji explained to the world that God is one. Okay, yeah. Then here also some meanings we learn. Then hard G and soft G we learn. Hard G is G sound, soft G is Ja sound. Okay, yeah, G sound and J sound. See, gum, good, bag, game. Then Ja sound, gentle, giraffe, danger, ginger. Okay, okay children. So next, for this, for your better understanding, they have given 2 more paragraphs. Okay, then we learned a poem that in the bazaars of Hyderabad. For this we learned only one stanza. First stanza only we learned, right? Yeah, so this poem is written by Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India. Okay, she is from Hyderabad, that's why she know the clear picture about Hyderabad bazaars. Okay, yeah, so this is a conversation between buyer and a seller. Okay, in first stanza we learned about what? Yeah, she's asking to a merchant that what do you sell? What do you people sell? And what he said? Yes, richly your wares are displayed. That means gold, silver, metal, what do you wear? That we are displayed on, in front of our shop. And turbans of crimson and silver. Turbans of crimson means a shawl that people they cover their overhead, that their head. Okay, that is a dress. Okay, with the golden and silver borders. Okay, then tunics of purple brocade. That means tunics means, yes, sleeveless frocks. Okay, then brocades is a rich deep red color, that is maroon color dresses. Okay, then mirrors with panels of amber. Mirrors with panels of amber, that mirrors and its frames were made up of wood of amber, yellow or brownish colored frames. Okay, yeah. Then daggers with the handles of jade. So daggers means sharp knife, both the sides sharp knife. Okay, and its handles were made up of jade. Jade means nothing but it's a tough green color gemstone. Okay, fully covered with that handles were fully covered with jade stones. Gemstone, it's a gemstone. Okay, yeah, here some meanings were given. Only first stanza what you will learn, that one you should learn. Okay, 3 meanings. Okay children, yeah. Then all of you take a worksheet. Now we can complete our workbook. Okay, take a pencil and eraser. Eraser, if you have done any mistakes means you just erase it and write what answers I have given. Okay, yeah, all of you take your books fast. Workbook, take your book fast. Now take your worksheet number 7. Worksheet 7. So whole birds you should do this. Okay, If I am going so fast, you should pause the video and write the answers. Okay, children? Yeah. Then next, action defines people. Here some question answers were given. Let's see that. Okay? Yes. Swamiji once halted at the railway station in Rajasthan. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Okay. So, what is the meaning of this underlined word halted? It stopped or came. It's stopped. Yeah. Then, what did the cobbler notice about Swamiji? So, what he noticed about Swamiji? The cobbler noticed that Swamiji was feeling hungry. Yes or no? Yeah, he haven't ate anything past 3 days. We learned, right? Yeah. So, he was feeling very hungry but did not have money for his food. He already I explained that he won't accept money from his listeners, right? Only he will buy food and water from them. Okay, yeah. So he was feeling very hungry but he don't have enough money to buy his food. Okay, yeah. Why was people angry with Swamiji? Why people were angry with Swamiji? Because he accepted food from cobbler. Yeah, this cobbler, he is from very lower caste, right? Yeah, that's why this higher caste people, they were very much angry with this Swamiji. Okay, food from cobbler who belongs to the lower caste. So the people were angry with Swamiji. Why? Because he accepted food from cobbler who belongs to the lower caste. Okay, yeah. Then what did Swamiji tell the people angrily? What did he say? Swamiji told the people angrily that they should focus on humanity, not the caste of people. Okay, so he said you should focus on, yes, humanity, and you should not and not the caste of people. Okay, yeah. If I am going so fast, just please pause the video and write the answer. Okay, yeah. Then come to next, hard C and soft C. This cursive writing, you must do this. Okay, everybody should do this. Everybody should complete this. Then hard C and soft C, fill in the blanks with correct word from the box. Okay, so example, she is very nice girl. Nice. Okay, some options were given: country, cycle, circle, come, nice. Okay, India is my dash. India is my country. Very good. My best friend likes to dash to my home. Dash to my home. Yes, he likes to or she likes to come to my home. I like to ride my dash to school every day. I like to ride my cycle. Very good, cycle. I draw a circle in max class. Circle in max class. Yeah. Come to next page. Action defines people. Read the story and answer the following question. Okay. Tick the word which has a similar meaning with voyage. What do you mean by voyage? Journey, lecture, or travel? Bon voyage. Voyage. What is the meaning of voyage? Voyage. Yes, journey. Okay. Yes. Then Swamiji was hungry for how many days? Swamiji was hungry for how many days? Yes, Swamiji was hungry for 3 days. Okay. Yeah. Then why was Swamiji in Rajasthan? Why he went to Rajasthan? Swamiji was in Rajasthan to give a lecture on Hinduism. His religion, what is his religion? Hinduism. Yeah. To talk about this Hinduism only, he traveled all around the world. So for that only he went to Rajasthan also. Okay. Yeah. Then Swamiji did not accept gift or money from the listeners. Okay. Gift or money from the listeners. Accept. What is the meaning of this word accept? Give, throw, or take. Yes, it's take. Then hard C and soft C. This you should do. Okay. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the below. Count, ice, city, cup, cat. And some sentences are given. You should answer for this. Okay. Rohit drinks milk for a drinks milk from a dash. Rohit drinks milk from a dash. Count ice, city, cup, cat. What will come here? Yes, very good. Cup. Yes, next. Sakshi can dash till 200. Count ice, city, cup, cat. Yes, very good. Can count. Ragul has a pet dash at home. Yes, pet cat at home. Very good. Mumbai is a very big. Yes, very good. City. Smita does not like to put dash in her drinking water. Eyes. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Then this you should do. Cursive writing. Okay. Then come to next page. Whole words. Read this paragraph and you should what? Write this words in the appropriate place where this underlines were given. Okay? Yeah, just do this. Then come to next worksheet number 12. Swami Vivekananda. Okay? Read the story and answer the following question. What was the real name of Swami Vivekananda? What was his real name? Yes, Narendranath Datta was the real name of Swami Vivekananda. Okay? Yeah, then what was the message Swamiji was spreading? What message he was spreading all over the world? Yes, the message Swamiji was spreading of serving humankind and that God is one. Serving humankind and that God is one. Okay. Then where was Swamiji invited to speak? Where was he invited to speak? Swamiji was invited to speak or participate in the Parliament of World's Religion in the USA. Okay. So, Swamiji was invited to participate. Where participate or speak? In the Parliament. In the Parliament of World's Religion in the USA. Okay. So by serving mankind, he can serve God. What is the meaning of this underlined word mankind? Man means people. Very good. It is not animals, it is not plants, it is people. Okay, children. Come to next page. See, in the Bazaars of Hyderabad, first stanza we learned. Yes or no? Yeah. So children, listen carefully. While writing a poem in the Bazaars of Hyderabad, you should put the correct punctuations wherever necessary. And at last, you should write poet's name. Okay? Okay, children? Yeah. So first stanza you should memorize and without any spelling mistake, without any punctuation mistake, you should write it correctly. Then only you will get full mark. Okay, children? Only first stanza. Yes. Then here, hard G and soft G. Circle the words with soft G sounds and underline the word with the hard G sounds. Circle soft G and underline hard G. Okay, soft G is G sound and hard G is Ja sound, right? Yes? Ga sound. Very good. So, Ja sound and Ga sound. So, this apology soft. So, you should circle it. Huge Ja sound. So, you should circle it. God Ga sound. So, you should underline it. Goat Ga sound. You should underline it. Jim Ja sound. So, you should circle it. Then, giant Ja sound. So, you should circle it. Gold Ga sound, so you should underline it. Ginger Ja sound, so you should circle it. Gone Ga sound, so you should underline it. Game Ga sound, so you should underline it. Okay, children? I hope you all completed this, right? Okay. So listen here. Whole words you should do. Read this paragraph, then underline the whole words. Okay. Then in the bazaars of Hyderabad. Here only one question I took. Right? First stanza only one question is given. So just we can write it. Turbans of crimson and silver. What is the meaning of underlined word? Dull red color or shiny grayish white color or dark green color? What do you mean by silver? Yes, silver is shiny, right? Yeah, shiny grayish white color is silver. Okay, yeah. Then what is the meaning of tunics of purple brocade? What is the meaning of this quoted sentence? It means dresses made of fancy purple cloth having gold and silver patterns. Okay, so dresses made of fancy purple color, made of fancy purple cloth having gold and silver patterns. Okay, okay children, I hope you guys have completed all this, right? Yes. Then come to hard G and soft G. See, fill in the blanks with correct words from the box. So some words are given, sentences are given, you should complete this. Okay. A dash breeze was blown in the park. Gentle breeze. We need to walk on a dash to cross a river. Bridge. We spent all our dash playing. Energy. A dash can breathe fire as well as fly. What is that? Dragon. Rahul and Raj are dash friends. They are? Yes, they are good friends. Okay. Okay, children. So, after this you have completed. Then hard G and soft G. Some words are given and sentences given. Gum, giraffe, huge, game, go. Football is my teacher's favorite dash. Game. Taj Mahal is a dash building. Huge building. I stick paper with dash. Gum. I like to dash to school. Go to school. The dash is the tallest animal in the zoo. Yes, giraffe. Okay. Yeah, that's all about your exam portion, children. This much you should study for your exam and write your exams well. And from inside your reader, I have asked lot of questions. Okay. So, you should study everything. You should read everything. Each and every sentences you should read. Okay. Spellings also you should concentrate while writing. Okay, children. So, I hope you will get score what? Full mark for your exam. Okay. Yeah. Try to get full mark for your exam. Okay, children. See you in next class. Bye.